control arm on an 03 Expedition today. I got my jack under the car, got it on the frame, got my jack standing in the proper place. Okay, that's the upper control arm. Got a wheel off the car. Okay, we want to take that bolt loose there. Got it soaked down. The other bolt is right there. The other bolt is right there. Okay, vice grips on there, crescent wrench. Just going to turn the crescent wrench. Let the vice grips do our locking for us. Get it free. Put my L on and get it free. Take a hammer and just knock it straight out. Try to support it by my bungee cable. Okay, I got my vice grips up top. Got my buddy holding it. Got my crescent wrench on the bolt. Cranking down on it, getting it free. Get it loose some more. Okay. We got a problem here. Our bolt will not come out, so we got to drop off the strut assembly. So we take our 3 bolts loose at the top. I got an impact. You can use a regular hand. It don't matter as long as you get the job done. Okay, we're down here at the bottom, getting it free. We gotta hit the bolt on through. Take a screwdriver, knock it through. There go our old one. I'm sorry, there go our new one. Correction. Okay, we stuck it in place. Put our strut back in. It's pretty simple. Got our bolts in. We do everything in reverse. Got our vice grips holding that. Tighten that bolt down at the bottom of the strut assembly. We got our bolt on our strut assembly. Tighten it up. 3 bolts here at the top. Get them started. Tighten them down. Let's overlook this job. Make sure we got everything right. Always look over your work a couple times to make sure. Never hurts to look over your work. Put our wheel back on. Now, yeah, it's also good once the car is down to tighten up the upper control bushings. That way it keeps the rubber from tensioning so it won't break. Okay. We got our wheel back on. Got a car jack down. I'd like to thank you for watching. This is one of my first videos. Sorry for all the shaking and stuff, but I had to put it out because it's a good thing to watch and know. See you next time. Let's fix it.